array. So let's fix it. We can fix it only using the interface, only inside React. So let's go to Places form page. And now let's see, down here somewhere we have this called Photos Uploader. Let's open this one. And now let's see. For each photo, we are showing this div with this image here. And let's see, what do you want to do to delete an image? Let's say that I want to have a trash can icon here, and or maybe here in the middle, or maybe here on the right corner. So let's fix it. So inside each photo, I will add a div with some class names, and inside this div I will put a trash icon. So let's add search for trash, and I will copy this and I'll put it here. And now let's see if we have it. We have trash icon here, but I will make this one position absolute. Yes, and so now as you can see, every trash icon is on the top left corner. But then I can add it to the parent div. I can add relative positioning, and this way on this absolute here, I can add bottom 0 and right 0. So now it's on the bottom right corner. And now I can maybe add some padding. So let's do bottom 2 and right 2. Yes, and now let's make it wide. So let's maybe do text white. Yes, but it should have some kind of background. So let's do background black, and let's add some padding of at least 2. Yes, the bottom one, right one can be maybe changed to just 1 here. So no bottom 2, right 2, but bottom 1 and right 1. Yes, the padding can be decreased to 1 as well. But now for this black background, I want to make it add some opacity. So let's do background opacity. Let's do maybe 50%. Yes, that looks much better. But let's add some rounded corners here, rounded to XL, or maybe just XL. Yes, and I think this looks much better. Maybe to XL. And maybe I will actually do padding off. Yes, and padding on the top and the bottom will be 2, but padding on the sides will be 3. Yes, and now let's fix, so when I click on it, let's add also cursor pointer. When I click on this div, I will change it to button. Let's fix that when I click on this button, this photo will be removed. So let's do on click, and let's do parenthesis here, arrow function, and let's say that on click I want to call a function called remove photo, and with this link of this photo. But now I need to define this function to remove from our state a photo that has the link of this. So let's maybe put it here, function remove photo like this, and we get a link, and this will be actually path or file name, but let's better call it file name. And now we just need to update added photos. So let's do set added photos. We cannot do this. Let's see why. Because we are in a different file. We can hit only on change. So let's do on change because it has changed. On change, we want to hit this on change function. Call this on change function from here with all the photos. So let's pass all the photos except this one. So let's do filter, and from here we want to filter out. So let's do photo, and let's check that photo is different than the file name, right? And I think this should work. So now if I click, for example, on this one, whoops, something went bananas. Let's refresh. and we are calling remove photo with this link. Let's open a console and let's see what's going on. If I click this one, whoops, added photos map is not a function. So, okay, I forgot that this should be an array like this. All right, and now let's clear this console. Let's remove this one, and it worked. Now let's add it back. So let's see, it's this one. Let's add it. Now we have it. Let's save it. Let's go back. Now I want to add another button.